familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today I'm doing my Partners in Cream Project Pan update. Everybody's update will probably be tomorrow. Within the next 6 hours, you'll probably start seeing people's uploads. I try not to upload on Saturdays unless it's my get ready with me, unless I need to. So this is why you're seeing it today on Friday the 9th. So today I want to share with you guys my update. I'm literally off of my pan those eyeshadows high. I just finished filming that video. If you didn't watch it, Monday's video. I'm excited because I have amazing update on that, and I also have an amazing update in here. So if you're excited just as much as I am, stay tuned. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. That is something that interests you. Subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with this update. Guys, I'm drinking ginger tea, but I feel like it's giving me caffeine. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Mr. Man's doing Zoom meetings. I'm excited because I got a break. All right, you guys. I'm sure you guys are well familiar or very familiar, I can't even talk, very familiar with this Project Pan, but if not, everything will be linked down in the description box. The creators, everything down there. Check it out. Miss Steph, Miss Delin, the rules. Woo! Okay, you guys, last month we had a refresh, but I'm doing so good with my stuff. I didn't need to do a refresh, but I'm just warning you guys, maybe the next time around, I might end up doing a refresh just because I'm allowed to and I want to. So we're going to go ahead and get started on these items. So I am missing a product. I used it up. I recorded it in my empties, but I don't know what happened to the bottle. So we're going to start off with that one. Last month I rolled in my Cover FX setting spray, used it all up. It was the size of this, and it's done. I have a picture of it, but I don't know what happened to it. I've looked in my empties bag. I've looked in my trash. One of my kids must have gotten a hold of it. It's somewhere, but at least I know I recorded it for my empties for the end of the year. But that's the first thing that I did finish, so we are going to be rolling that sucker out. Next thing that we have is my Becca First Light Priming Filter. This, I had a little bit left. I completely finished it off. It is done, you guys. This is a really, really good product. I really enjoyed it. I'm not going to buy a full size of this because I'm just going to torture myself knowing that I can't get it again. It's okay. I'm good with it. I thought it was beautiful while I used it. A lot of people rave about it for a very good reason, but it is now done and over with. So product number 2 is leaving. So that's the second product that I will be rolling out this month. Product number 3 was this Focalure Artist Sketch Eyebrow Pencil. As you guys know, that I did have just the tiniest little bit left of it, and I told you that I wanted to finish it off, and here we are, you guys. It is completely done and over with. If this pencil is looking a little bit wonky, it's because I have a replacement. So this one's completely done. I wanted to finish it off. I wanted an easy product, and I didn't expect to roll out so many products this month. So this is the third thing that we are rolling out. Fourth one, you guys. I'm seeing the light. I'm seeing the light. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. So, you guys, this really doesn't have much left. I thought it would take me 2 months. I'm thinking another month just in case. I started to mix this in with a foundation that I'm panning in a different project pan because it's too light for me. And mixing both of them works wonders. I'm actually not wearing it today because the bad news is I have a feeling that other foundation is starting to irritate my skin. So I am back to using this as a concealer. Today I'm wearing it as a concealer, but I am seeing the light at the end of the tunnel in this one. It feels a heck of a lot lighter. I still get quite a bit of product. You guys can see I still get quite a bit of product on the wand, but I could really see down there. It's getting there. I don't see this lasting all the way until June, July. That I can guarantee. I don't know if it'll still be here in May, but I can see in June, July it'll be gone. So we're getting there, you guys. You can see how much, like you can see the windows there. I'm very thrilled that I'm almost done with this one, which means that's one less foundation in my collection, which makes me happy because I don't like to have more than 5 at a time. Last product. I'm sure you guys are excited. Did I finish another liquid blush? Did I not? Do I have a little bit left? What's the deal, Alex? Just get with it. All right, fine. I'll tell you guys. Stop pulling my arm. We rolled in the NARS Orgasm Blush, you guys. And look, we are done with this one. Completely done. And I have better news for you guys than this. So I finished this, like this is splattering again. You can see like the little bit that's down there, but it's not pumping out at all, which is fine. I'm not stressing over it. Beautiful shade. I really enjoy it. My least favorite out of the 4 though, because it's more pinky than the rest, but it still looked beautiful on my skin. This I finished about 2 weeks in. What I've realized is Dulce Vita, which was the first one that I used, had the most product out of all 4 of them because that one was the most pigmented. That one gave me a lot. Like I used that one for the longest time because it was just so pigmented. This and the rest don't have that much. This one completely finished within 2 weeks. So I am done with this one. I am rolling this one out, which means the second one is completely done this month. I'm just going to roll right into the products that I'm choosing. I ended up bringing in Torrid halfway through finishing this one up, Orgasm. And you guys, as of today, I can't splatter anymore out of this. Did I just finish not 1, but 2? What? Yes, you guys. This one you guys can see, like, look. I have like a little, maybe over here you could see it better. You see how I have that little bit right there? I may have maybe 1 more use out of this left, and that's it. I'm wearing it today, but today it gave me such a hard time squirting this out. So you guys, I think that I may be done too. This is another day or 2. So as much as I want to roll this in this month, there's no point because I probably have like a day or 2 left of this one. So I'm actually going to roll in my last one, you guys. My last one. I said by June. We are going into April. We're already in April. And I'm on the last one. I haven't shaken it up. See how shaken it? I haven't shaken this up. And you can see like that's how much I have left of this. This will be done this month. I will be done all of my liquid blushes this month. What in the world just happened, you guys? I knew I would finish some. I didn't expect to finish all, and especially not this early in the year. What in the world? Holy crap. This is amazing, you guys. Amazing. So let's talk about what I'm rolling in. Because I basically almost finished Torrid already, I'm rolling in Luster. Luster is by far my favorite one with Torrid. Torrid and Luster are my favorite. I think Torrid no longer is available, or Luster. I can't remember which one. But I'm going to roll this in, and I have a feeling I will finish this one off. So this is the first product you're going to see for next update. Clinique foundation is still going to be here. This lasted a lot longer than those liquid blushes. I can't get rid of this one. So this is also going to be in here. The third product that I'm rolling in is the replacement to my brow that I finished off. I already started using it because I needed to. So I already marked it, and you probably already saw on the screen where I started out at. So I'm going to point where I'm at. This is how much is in here right now. So this will be here for a good 2-3 months. With the way that I use brow products, I don't use as much as I need to. So this is beautiful. This is what I have on my brows right now, and I really enjoy it. So this is the third product until I'm done with that one as well. Fourth product I want to roll in is my MAC Prep and Prime. Yeah, this a little bit goes a long way, so this is going to take me a little bit. So this will probably take me the whole month. And then the last product I want to use is the replacement of my Cover FX one, which was the same size, which is this one. I want to finish off all my minis. I am keeping the bottles to fill them in if I ever do go anywhere, or if I'm stepping out, because this really does help with not like getting the mask all up in. Like it doesn't, if you put the all-nighter in there, I realize that whenever I put a mask on top, like my foundation doesn't rub off as much on the mask. So I do like these, especially now that it's getting warmer. We will be outdoors more. We will be like, you know, getting out of the house a little bit more. We're feeling a little bit more safer and comfortable. I'm going to be using this a lot more. So that is my fifth product. And then I'm pretty sure I'll be rolling some new things in next month, you guys. Wow, I'm still shocked. This is what I finished plus the setting spray. So I finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. 5 products this month. And these, like, I don't even want to throw these away because it just reminds me of my accomplishments. It's so exciting, you guys. Wow. Wow. These have been in with me since day one, and I've loved every minute of it, not gonna lie to you, and I will miss it in the summer. I do have 3 cream liquid blushes left. So this is not the end of cream liquid blushes in this project pan. just not the NARS ones anymore. I already have one that I'm testing out to see how to work with it, because it's a totally different change from going from this to a liquid blush that I know sets on an oily skin. I can wear it on its own. It works amazing for me. Even in the summer, I absolutely love these in the summer, to something else. So I'm curious how those are going to work for me in the summer, because I love to use liquid products in the summer, cream and liquid, without using too much face-based products. So I don't know. I'm rambling right now, so let me just stop. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for encouraging me to continue. I know you guys are just as excited as I am from using these products up. Woo! It feels good to finish products, especially hard ones. Hard ones have taken you a long time. I'll put more videos over here for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.